Should you include a security deposit for your midterm rental insurance booking? Now, that question solely depends on where the booking comes from, right? If it's going to be through, like Airbnb, then you do have that security, for lack of a better word, right? With the $1 million, I think it's insurance, etc. Probably not there. However, if you're going to book direct, and when I say direct, I mean when the insurance company either approaches you from Furnish Finder, then you got to take it offline, or they come to you through Zillow Rental Manager or from one of their databases. Yes, absolutely. But keep in mind a very, very, very important fact. This is not your traditional security deposit, because a traditional security deposit usually the first month. Now, because we're charging a premium in this space that the insurance company is paying, keep in mind that the security deposit is not paid by the insurance company. It's paid by the displaced family, policyholder. I should be more clear when I say that, because you could be a single person and not have a family and just you and your pet. And, so I want to be clear. It's whoever's the policyholder, and they're maybe they do have a family or not. It's who is responsible to make that payment. So you want to keep in mind that having a high security deposit, high being maybe the monthly amount, may break the deal for them, because let's be honest, the average American does not have that much in savings. They're relying on their insurance company to make that payment. Now, why do the insurance companies do it that way? Well, they want you to have some form of skin in the game, because, essentially, if you trash the place, they want you to actually have some skin in the game. So you're going to have some money up front. So we don't want to make it unreasonable for them, but we want to make it that there's an amount there so they have skin in the game. Call it 1,000, call it 2,000. We typically don't exceed that much. Now, with respect to the valuables in your home and your comfort level and how you run your business, etc., that's the beauty of the space. There are no rules, but there's just some feedback to keep in mind, that if you say, hey, this is a $8,000 a month home, you're going to need $8,000 up front, know that might break the deal. And this is why it's really important for us to understand that when a deal does not work out, it's important for us to ask why. If that's the reason why, shoot, you better trust the amount that you're charging, boo-boo, because that may break a deal that we do not want to break, especially if the insurance company is going to be paying 8 months worth, 6, maybe 4, 3, whatever that amount is. Do not pay a penny wise and a dollar foolish, right? So let's not also get greedy with these security deposits, because we are not in traditional rentals, right? These are large amounts that we're asking, and it can break the deal just as much as it can make the deal if you give a reasonable security deposit. On that note, speaking of security, secure your midterm rental insurance blueprint by going to my website to make sure you grab it to get more midterm rental insurance insights and a blueprint to give you as a guide, free $99, just for you for taking the time to watch this video. And of course, for me, don't forget, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. It means a lot and allows other individuals to be able to benefit from this video the exact same way you have. Cheers.